Between prospects, customers, vendors, and employees, your business has a lot of relationships to keep track of. And it's not just names and numbers. Relationships are complicated, and they're changing all the time. With Insightly, you can keep track of each relationship in all its complexity and build stronger relationships faster. Here's how it works. This is me, Tony, your first Insightly contact. On its simplest level, Insightly keeps track of all my contact info. It automatically found and filled in my social media accounts too. Below that are your custom fields, where you keep track of information that's specific to your business, say a date to remember or what I like to order at Starbucks. So that's plenty of info already, but Insightly handles some more useful stuff in these Related and Activity subtabs. For example, in Related, you've got my links. Links show the relationship between records like who works for what organization or what tasks need to be completed to close a particular deal. So if I finally decide to purchase your product, you'll add a link here with the opportunity, so you can quickly jump over and check the status of the deal. You can add notes about the person and attach important files too. And over in Activity is where you'll see everything that's happened or is scheduled to happen sometime in the future. That includes emails, calls, tasks, and events. Emails you've saved to Insightly will be added here automatically. And don't forget to send a card for my birthday, or better yet, assign the task to someone else on your team. We'll remind them to take care of it. Alright, that's a contact. And now that you've learned how it works, guess what? You also know how organizations work. The only difference is that these manage your relationships with whole accounts, like companies, foundations, or government agencies. And later, when you're ready to start managing your sales pipeline and projects in Insightly, you'll be right at home with opportunities and projects too. But that's part of another video. So now that you've got the basics, it's time to get smarter about building customer relationships. Go ahead and add a new contact or import a bunch of data at once. We'll be here if you need any help.